On January 31st, Wang Chanfu, president and chairman of BYD, decided that the company must begin making masks within 2 weeks. It would typically take about 40 days to purchase mask-making machines. With no time to spare, BYD decided to be self-sufficient and build the machines from scratch. BYD's powerful capabilities in the research and design of molds and industrial equipment played a key role. More than 400 design blueprints were drawn up in just 3 days. The necessary gears were not available, so the company used its wire electrode cutting equipment to make its own gears. Rollers were out of stock, so BYD mobilized the equipment from its battery and automobile production lines to make the rollers. Of the more than 1,300 components needed for mask-making machines, 90% were made in-house by BYD. In the end, it took just 7 days to convert these designs into fully functional mask-making production lines. In just over a month, BYD has built more than 200 production lines, achieving a daily output of 10 million masks. These masks have been shipped to people who need them most urgently, such as hospitals, law enforcement agencies, local governments, and many more.